Is it the right time to make a decision about buying or selling the QQQ ETF? In this video, we will delve deep into the QQQ ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, February 9, 2024. And now, we're excited to bring you an even more detailed analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Keeping yourself informed about crucial updates that could impact your investments is vital. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 5, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 6.88. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 10.16% since we first listed QQQ as a buy candidate 25 days ago. This means an average return of 0.41% per day since it was identified as a strong buy candidate. The ETF has recently broken the strong upward trend and is now indicating an even stronger rate of rising. This break-in trend provides an opportunity for a potential second chance to hit a runner, with support now at the broken trend level of $435.92. According to fan theory, the next possible trend top level is at $455.21, which may act as a resistance level that could be challenging to break on the first attempt. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 12.86% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 7.59% and 12.57%. Moving on to the 12-month trend, it suggests a 34.34% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging between 15.86% and 38.88%. This translates to a price range of $506.38 to $606.98 after a year. Our latest update for the QQQ ETF brings exciting news. It has been upgraded from a buy candidate to a strong buy candidate after Friday's trading session. On the last trading day, the QQQ ETF price increased by 0.98%, going from $432.79 to $437.05. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. We are eager to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a temporary pause in the next few days. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a 1.09% fluctuation, reaching a low of $433.14 and a high of $437.85. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, showing a 3.12% increase over the past 2 weeks. Furthermore, the volume of shares traded on the last day increased along with the price, indicating a positive technical signal. A total of 7 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total trading value of approximately $15.99 billion involving 37 million shares. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the ETF was $437.85, while the lowest price was $285.19. Currently, the price is $0.795, 0.18%, below the 52-week high of $437.85, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Let's take a look at the signals for QQQ, the popular ETF. The QQQ ETF is showing positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a promising outlook for the stock. Additionally, the short-term average is above the long-term average, further supporting the buy signal. In case of price corrections, there is potential support at $429.82 and $415.59. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it may trigger sell signals. On Wednesday, January 31, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 4.82% increase so far. The volume is also increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, there are some negative signals that could impact the short-term development. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence (MACD) is currently indicating a sell signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence is giving a sell signal. Pivots are indicating a buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger is showing a buy signal 12 days ago. The short-term moving average is indicating a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 27 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a buy signal 25 days ago. The long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 68 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 55 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for the QQQ ETF. The QQQ ETF finds support from accumulated volume at $421.18. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as historical data suggests an upward reaction when the support is tested. This ETF tends to have controlled movements and is characterized by good liquidity, making the overall risk associated with it relatively low. In the past day, the QQQ ETF experienced a price range of $4.70, representing a 1.09% fluctuation between its highest and lowest points. Over the course of the last week, the average daily volatility of the ETF has been 0.94%. Before we explore the optimal trading levels for QQQ, let's first delve into some essential fundamental data. One important metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A lower P/E ratio may indicate a pessimistic outlook for the company's future or an undervalued stock, which could present a potential buying opportunity. Today, let's take a closer look at the potential day trading levels for QQQ. When it comes to resistance, there's no significant barrier from accumulated volume above. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock could swiftly move upwards. In such a scenario, you may consider entering a position and using volume as a guide to determine your exit point. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $421.18. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders, with the anticipation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $417.79, which represents a decrease of 4.41%. This ETF has a history of low daily movements, making it a lower risk option for investors. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 7 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? QQQ holds several positive signals and has broken the strong rising trend up. With the ETF also in great technical shape, we believe it is a good choice at the current levels. Furthermore, we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Consequently, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a buy to a strong buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, February 12, we expect QQQ to open down -$1.04 and begin trading at $436.01. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. Please remember that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you understand and accept that you are solely responsible for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your opinion on the current stock view. Share your thoughts in the comments below. And what's your target for the ETF? Let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.